So this is the demo for second assignment of intelligent systems course, and let's start. So you can run the program and you can see this screen. Let's start with Q-learning. You can choose the file of the map. You can choose any text file which has the map in it, and these are the parameters of the Q-learning algorithm that you can change here. So let's change the number of episode steps to 150, and you can also choose the environment to be a static or stochastic. You can choose the policy, or you can choose to show or not show the Q table in the simulation, and also you can ask to show the training simulation, or you can decide not to show that. So let's start to see how does this skill learning algorithm work. So because we chose to show the simulation algorithm, training simulation, you can see that the agent starts from different points and it updates its Q values. And each time stops, it's because one episode is finished and we have a delay after each episode, so the viewer can understand where the agent stops. And you can see that the Q values are being updated on each episode. So it gonna takes a lot of time, so let's close it and decide not to show the training simulation. Now if you start the program, now if you run the program by this parameter, you can see that this is the final result after 100 episodes with 150 steps, and you can click on anywhere else on the map, so the agent starts from there and use the Q values to find its path to the goal position, and you can see that it works pretty fine. And now let's change the environment to a stochastic environment. So here what happens is that sometimes the agent decides to move along a direction, but because of the environment is stochastic, sometimes it doesn't move in that direction. So for example, here the agent should move to the right, but sometimes, as you can see, it moves to the left. And also you can see that Q values are somewhere not updated completely. That's because the number of iteration is not that much, so you can change them to see how it works for you. But let's go to a star. We can start a star from here, and here you can click the mouse and move it around to place walls between the agent and the goal, and the red dot shows the agent. So let's place some walls here, and if you click on start simulation, let's start with start position. You can click on start position, and then wherever you click you can change the start position of the agent. Also you can change the end position. You can choose different places to be your goal, and if you click on start simulation, the agent starts to find a path to the goal. So after it finished, you can change the start position again and also end position, and then again click on start simulation, and the agent finds the path to the goal. You can also remove all walls by clicking on that button, and then again by clicking on wall button you can place walls and create another environment and check your simulation here. Let's try another example. Let's make it a little more difficult for the agent, so we will make sure that the algorithm works correctly. You can see that it uses the A-star algorithm to find the best path to the goal, and also it's a 4-directional agent. And also, if you have no path to go and click on start simulation, you can see that there is no path to go, and you can just change the start position and again click on start simulation, and then agent finds the path to the goal. And that's it.